Want to make cooking feel faster, easier, and way less stressful? These Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to make cooking easier with smarter tools that save effort, reduce mess, and simplify every step. From prepping ingredients to cleaning up, your kitchen is about to work a whole lot better. All products are linked in the description below. What if your bacon could cook itself while you just relax and wait for breakfast? This countertop bacon cooker lets you prepare crispy strips without the mess of a frying pan. You simply load the bacon in vertically, close the door, and it starts cooking while the excess grease drips away on its own. That means you get crispier bacon without it soaking in oil. It even has a built-in timer so you know exactly when it's ready, and the removable tray makes cleanup quick and easy. Compact, fast, and designed to keep your kitchen way less greasy than usual. What if your coffee could brew itself overnight and wake up ready to drink? This portable cold brew maker lets you turn simple coffee grounds and cold water into smooth, rich coffee without any bitterness. You just fill the filter, pour water, and let it slowly steep while you sleep. After a few hours, you press a button and your cold brew flows straight into an insulated travel cup, ready to take with you. It keeps your coffee icy and fresh for hours, so you can enjoy cafe-style cold brew anywhere without paying cafe prices. What if making fresh bread or pizza dough felt as easy as pressing a button? This smart dough maker takes the hard work out of kneading and proofing, so you don't have to get your hands messy. You just add your ingredients, tap the touch panel, and it automatically mixes and simulates hand kneading for smooth, elastic dough every time. It even has a built-in fermentation mode that keeps the temperature steady so your dough rises evenly without any guesswork. With a stainless steel bowl and removable parts, you get bakery-style results at home with way less effort and cleanup. Ever wished you could load dirty dishes and just walk away like magic? This compact countertop dishwasher turns that idea into reality without needing any plumbing hookup. You just fill the built-in water tank, place your dishes inside, and pick a cleaning mode with a simple touch panel. It has multiple wash programs, so you can handle everything from everyday plates to baby bottles and even fruit. Powerful spray jets clean from every angle, while hot water helps remove stubborn grease, and the glass door lets you actually watch your dishes get spotless in real time. Ever wished grating cheese didn't feel like a mini workout? This handheld rotary grater turns that annoying kitchen task into something quick and almost effortless. You just load in your cheese, chocolate, or nuts, then turn the smooth crank handle and watch it shred everything evenly in seconds. The design keeps your fingers safe while giving you fine, fluffy results perfect for pasta, desserts, or salads. It's easy to take apart for cleaning, folds up neatly for storage, and works comfortably whether you're left or right-handed. Ever wished your coffee machine could travel with you and still make cafe-level espresso? This portable electric espresso maker gives you that rich, strong coffee experience anywhere you go. You just add water and either ground coffee or capsules, and it heats itself up in minutes before pulling a high-pressure shot. The 20-bar pressure system helps extract bold flavor so your coffee tastes smooth and intense like a real cafe drink. It runs on a built-in rechargeable battery, so you don't need a wall socket. And it even lets you choose different coffee styles with just a simple touch. What if fresh pasta or bread dough could be made while you just sit back and relax? This all-in-one dough maker takes the hard work out of baking by mixing, kneading, and even shaping everything for you automatically. You simply add your ingredients, pick a setting, and it handles the rest from start to finish. In about 20 minutes, you can have fresh pasta ready to cook or soft bread dough prepared for baking. It even comes with different shaping discs so you can make spaghetti, macaroni, or fettuccine at home, giving you that homemade taste without the effort or mess. What if your fridge could actually show you what's inside without you even opening it? This massive 4-door smart refrigerator gives you a huge storage space so you can load up groceries, big trays, and everything in between without running out of room. Just knock on the glass panel and it lights up, letting you peek inside while keeping the cold air sealed in. You can even switch sections between fridge and freezer whenever you want, so your space always fits your needs. On top of that, it makes slow-melting crystal ice, gives you instant chilled water, and even tracks performance so you get a more effortless, smarter kitchen experience every day. Movie night hits different when popcorn is actually fresh and made right in front of you. This stovetop popcorn maker turns your kitchen into a mini theater in just a few minutes. You simply add kernels, turn the handle, and watch it spin everything constantly so nothing burns and every piece pops evenly. The metal gear system keeps the heat moving through the pot so you get light, fluffy popcorn instead of half-burnt disappointment. It makes a full bowl fast, gives you that classic movie-style crunch, and cleanup is as simple as a quick wipe when you're done. Food scraps don't have to be trash anymore. This smart kitchen composter quietly turns your leftovers into nutrient-rich compost, cutting down waste by a huge amount. Just add food, pick a mode, and let it handle the rest while keeping your kitchen completely odor-free. The built-in carbon filter helps stop any bad smells before they start. With Wi-Fi tracking, you can even see your impact over time, making it feel like a small step that actually changes how you waste and recycle at home. Ever wished your toaster actually listened to you instead of guessing your breakfast? This smart touchscreen toaster turns your morning routine into a simple tap-and-go experience. You just pick your bread type and shade level on the LCD screen and it handles the rest. The built-in timer shows you exactly how long is left, so you're never guessing or burning your toast. It even gives you extra wide slots for bagels, waffles, or thicker slices, and it heats up fast so you're not waiting around half awake. Dessert just became something you make on demand. This frozen treat machine whips up ice cream, slushies, milkshakes, and sorbets without needing to pre-freeze anything. Just pour in your mix, pick a mode, and you can have a creamy dessert ready in minutes. You can even adjust the texture from soft and smooth to thick and rich, depending on your mood. With easy cleanup and a family-sized capacity, it turns your kitchen into a personal dessert bar anytime you want. Trash cans usually hide in the corner, but this one actually makes your kitchen feel organized. This smart recycling bin uses a pull-out system with separate compartments so you can sort waste easily without mixing everything together. The soft close mechanism means no loud slams, just smooth and quiet use every time. Stainless steel keeps it looking clean and modern while resisting fingerprints and smudges. With removable inner buckets, emptying and cleaning becomes quick and completely hassle-free. Cookie decorating just went from messy to effortless. This handheld cookie press turns dough into perfectly shaped cookies in seconds with just a squeeze of the trigger. You can see exactly how much dough is left thanks to the clear barrel, so nothing catches you off guard. It comes with different shape discs, from simple patterns to festive designs, so you can switch styles anytime. Comfortable grip, quick operation, and consistent results make baking feel way more fun and controlled. Dinner for 2 meals just got way easier. This dual-zone air fryer lets you cook 2 different foods at the same time without mixing flavors. You can even remove the divider to turn it into one large cooking space when you need more room. The digital touchscreen makes it simple to pick settings with just a tap, so you get crispy results without guesswork. With fast heating and easy cleanup, it turns everyday cooking into a quick, stress-free routine. Game night just got a lot more delicious. This countertop hotdog roller cooks multiple hot dogs at once while warming buns at the same time. The rotating stainless steel rollers heat evenly, giving you that classic concession stand style finish. It also works for sausages, veggie dogs, taquitos, and other quick snacks. Just load it up, set the timer, and let the party food handle itself. Your mixing bowl just got a serious upgrade. These silicone liners fit neatly inside your stand mixer bowl and create a smooth, non-stick surface for mixing, proofing, and storing. You can switch between different batches without scrubbing the bowl every time. The included lids let you cover and store ingredients straight away, so nothing goes to waste. heat and cold safe, easy to clean, and perfect for keeping your kitchen workflow fast and mess-free. Restaurant-level cooking can now live on your countertop. This smart Sous Vide machine heats water to the exact temperature, so steak, chicken, and fish come out tender and perfectly cooked every time. Turbo mode speeds things up, giving you precise results in much less time. You can choose your doneness level before starting, from rare to well done with no guesswork. App controls, guided recipes, and chef-tested settings make impressive meals surprisingly easy. Your cereal box has officially been replaced. This countertop dispenser stores cereal, granola, coffee beans, and other dry foods while helping keep them fresh longer. Just twist the knob and it drops a measured portion, making breakfast faster and less messy. The bamboo design adds a clean, natural look that actually upgrades your kitchen counter. A removable crumb tray catches the extras, so cleanup takes seconds. Your baking game just found its new best friend. This powerful stand mixer handles bread dough, cake batter, whipped cream, and cookies without slowing down. With multiple speed settings and a strong copper motor, you get smooth mixing even with thick ingredients. The planetary motion reaches every side of the bowl, so you scrape less and mix faster. A large stainless steel bowl, tilt head design, and 3 handy attachments make every recipe easier. Why fill your kitchen with 5 appliances when one can do it all? This smart combi steam oven can air fry, bake, roast, toast, steam, and even sous vide in one compact machine. It uses heat plus moisture control to give you crispy outsides and juicy centers at the same time. With wide temperature control and tons of presets, you get easy cooking with less guesswork. The stainless steel interior is easy to clean, so great meals don't come with extra hassle. Fresh pasta doesn't have to mean flour all over your kitchen. This handheld electric pasta maker turns dough into noodles with one button press and does it in seconds. Swap the molds to make thin strands, wide noodles, or fettuccine whenever you like. It also works as a potato ricer, giving you smooth mashed potatoes without the lumps. Cordless power, easy clean parts, and simple controls make homemade meals way easier than you'd expect. Breakfast service just became push-button easy. This automatic omelet machine cracks, cooks, and prepares eggs with smart controls that handle the hard part for you. Choose your preferred doneness, from softer eggs to fully cooked. With simple touchscreen settings, it can make large batches quickly, making it perfect for busy kitchens, cafes, or events. Easy cleaning and built-in ventilation help keep your cooking space cleaner while you work.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.